The purpose of this video is to show you how to measure the angle of refraction. I have set up a ray box. I have a single ray of light emerging from the ray box, and I've also set up a block of perspex. Now you will note that the light is actually refracting in two locations. The light is refracting as it enters the block of perspex, and it refracts again as it exits the block of perspex. We're only going to be measuring the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction around this point here. The first step will be to trace over the rays of light. Use a different color ink and just trace around the outline of the perspex. Alright, once this is done, what you can then do is you can take the block of perspex away. You can also take the ray box away. The next step will be to fill in, to actually trace in that ray of light that is going through the perspex. Two rays of light that you had drawn in. Now the next step is to draw the normal. So for the normal you'll need to use a set square. Alright, and now I can just add a label to that normal. The other thing I'm going to add are some labels for my angles. I'll do that in orange ink. Now this angle over here is I, the angle of incidence, and this angle here, okay, so we're talking about this angle here, that's R, the angle of refraction. Alright, the last step now is for me to get my protractor and to line up my protractor exactly right. I can read off my angle of incidence as 31 degrees, and to measure the angle of refraction I'll need to flip my protractor around. Okay, this time I'm reading this way, so my angle of refraction is about 9 degrees.